Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn any PDF into a QR code for free. First, go to generatorqr.com and then select what sort of QR code you want to create. I'm going to select on PDF, which generates a QR code and makes the PDF shareable. Then all you need to do is select on that PDF document that I want to upload. Now that I've uploaded it, I'm simply going to select on Customize and Download QR. On the right-hand side, you can get a preview of that QR code, but you can customize this however you want. Let's go ahead and customize our PDF. After that, basically all you have to do is hit the download, and then once that image downloads, you can of course open it up, and then start putting that QR code wherever you need to advertise. You can also print the QR code, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and share the video with a friend if he needs to turn his PDF into a QR code.